Good afternoon. My name is Sarah and I am a Zionist. I am not a radical and I am not an imperialist. I don't believe in an apartheid state and I don't drink the blood of Christian children or any other children for that matter. I have not displaced anyone from their homes and I am not responsible for everything bad in our world. I believe in democracy and not dictatorship. I believe in human rights and equality for all citizens regardless of race, religion, gender or political view. I believe in the freedom of speech and not censorship. I believe in peace and not war. I believe that the Jewish people have a right to self-determination just like everyone else in the world. I believe the Jewish people have a right to their own state and to have that inalienable right respected by every other nation. I am not a warmonger and I did not steal anyone's land. There has been a Jewish presence in Israel for 3,000 years. I believe in respecting other people and embracing diversity. I believe in coexisting with my neighbors and building bridges in the hope of living in peace. The Wall is not the name of a Pink Floyd album but is the spiritual center of the Jewish people. I like hummus, not Hamas. It is pronounced shuk, couscous, and shalom. I am not a kibbutznik or a Haredi, but we all contribute to make Israel the beautiful state it is today. I believe in justice, repairing the world, and making the world a better place for my children. I believe that Jerusalem is the eternal capital of the Jewish people and it is my hope that the state of Israel will continue to exist and thrive forever. I believe in the future of the Jewish people. My name is Sarah, and I am a Zionist. Thank you.